This 2024 Winnebago Travato 59K is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, TV, skylight, smoke detector, awning, external shower, water heater, microwave, stove top burner, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2024 Winnebago Travato 59K is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.